to the channel. This is the Tax Free Millionaire Blueprint. And today we're going to talk about a topic that a lot of people really know but are not paying attention to. We're going to talk about the luxury poverty trap and what the luxury poverty trap is. Basically, since the pandemic, a lot of people have noticed that financially you need to live differently and move differently, but some people are just not getting it. Some people are not understanding how important it is for you to actually pay attention financially in your life and choose to operate in a way that goes against your goals. So today we're talking about the luxury poverty trap and how it's better to even look broke, because who are you trying to impress, right? So this is like the broke millionaire versus the wealthy nobody, okay? So most people are spending money they don't have to buy things that they don't need to impress people that they don't even like. I think this is a quote from Will Smith. I see it every day in my practice. Professionals making 200K a year, but living paycheck to paycheck. They are trapped in a luxury poverty trap. Okay? In this video, I'm going to show you why looking rich is the fastest way to stay broke, and why the wealthiest people I know, like the ones who do the 1031 exchanges and a multi family portfolios, actually choose to look broke. If you want to start being a person with a business and start being a CEO with a legacy, stay tuned for this entire video. Why do we do it? Is the question. Because society rewards the look of success before the substance of it. It's called consumption, conspicuous consumption. It's called conspicuous consumption. You want the car, the watch, the red bottoms to prove you've arrived. But here is the textbook's truth: liabilities don't build legacies. Liabilities don't build legacies. Every dollar you spend on a designer bag loses 40% of value the moment you leave the store. Is a dollar that could have been a down payment on a property or a trade line for your business credit. The trap is believing that your clothes are your resume. So a lot of people walk around thinking that what they have on their backs, what they're wearing, is making them look rich, when you could really have more if you paid attention to where your money went. Your clothes aren't the success that you actually believe that they are. Your balance sheet, your balance sheet is your resume. So people want to know what it means to look broke and how wealthy people look broke. The truly wealthy, the boardroom professionals, focus on privacy and protection. They aren't wearing their networks on their sleeve because it makes them a target for lawsuits, for bad deals, and for the IRS. They drive a 5-year-old SUV owned by their LLC. They wear the plain black t-shirt that costs $20, while their $2 million real estate portfolio is deferring taxes through a 1031 exchange. So they aren't trying to look rich for the neighbors, okay? They are trying to stay wealthy for their grandkids. They understand that cash flow is king, but discretion is queen. Let's do some tax boss math. Like, on this channel, we give you real details and real experience models and break it down for you. So, if you spend $1,000 a month on luxury lifestyle, maintenance, leasing fancy cars, the expensive dinners, the brand name gear over 10 years, you spent $120,000. If you took that same $120,000 and used my business credit blueprint to leverage into a commercial property, you'll be looking at a multi-million-dollar asset. That is the cost of looking rich. You are trading your future freedom for a 15-second Instagram story. So, how do you break that cycle of looking rich and buying all these designer clothes to impress people that may not even like you? You start by changing your infrastructure. Focus on your entity structure. Get your LLC right so you can buy assets, not toys. Build your business credit. Use the bank's money to grow, not your own paycheck. Get organized. Use an app like my app that I just built, which tracks your assets instead of your likes. So you want to track your assets, not your likes on Facebook or Instagram. When you organize your life like a CEO, you stop caring about looking rich because you know for a fact that you are wealthy. So, looking broke isn't about being cheap. Most people think, how could you have so much money but want to look broke? It's about being strategic, it's about being bank ready. So, when the big deal comes, you have the capital to seize it. So, if you learned something from this video, make sure you click the like button and the subscribe button. I also have a new app that I built. It helps you to track your business credit. It helps you to track your income and your business goals so you can have everything in one place. Because one thing about people, what I see a lot is that people can be disorganized. People can be disorganized, and disorganization, let's say if you're going into a bank and you don't have your documents ready, if you need to have receipts, you need to have them available right there for you. And this is what I have for my clients that need to keep everything in order. You can have your business credit accounts, everything in one place so that you don't have to go searching when that big deal comes up or when you really need to show that you want to get this thousands of dollars in loans. So make sure you click the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.